What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a picture in Canva. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and type in Canva. After that, you will see the first official website of Canva. Just simply log in, or if you are new to Canva, click on sign in and type in your Gmail and password. After login or signing in, you will be welcomed to this homepage of Canva. After that, let's say for example, if you want to upload an Instagram post, click on this Instagram post, and after that, you already have an image, or if you want a pre-built image, you can choose anyone from these. I'll choose I have chosen this image, and as you can see, I will just select it, and here I can crop it from here, and I can just move it here on the left side top. And if I want to add this page, I'll just simply add it and click and drag it, and after that I'll simply crop it from here and crop it from here, and I'll just click here, and after clicking on group it, I can even group this, or I can even ungroup this by clicking on ungroup. So this is how you can crop a picture in Canva. And if you want to edit more, let's say if I want to edit this part, just click on it once and you will see the editing options on the top. So that was all for this video guys. Thank you everyone for watching.